क्लास नाइन्थ। आज हम सोशल साइंस की वर्कशीट 69 करेंगे जो हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 3 नाजिज्म एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर से रिलेटेड है। इस वर्कशीट में आपको 17 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं। तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन वन वर्ड और इन वन लाइन। So question number 1 is, why did the Nuremberg Tribunal was set up? So answer number 1 is, after the end of the Second World War, an international military tribunal at Nuremberg was set up to prosecute Nazi war criminals for crime against peace, for war crimes and the crime against humanity. Now question number 2. By which two countries the Allied powers were initially led? So answer number 2. The Allied powers were initially led by the UK and France. Question number 3. Which plan was introduced by the America to bail out Germany from the financial burden of First World War? So answer number 3. The Americans intervened and bailed Germany out of the crisis by introducing the Dawes Plan, which reworked the terms of reparation to ease the financial burden on Germans. Question number 4. Why the support to Germany by America was suddenly withdrawn in year 1929? So answer number 4. The support was withdrawn when the Wall Street Exchange crashed in 1929. Question number 5. Which incident of the First World War made Hitler furious? So answer number 5. The German defeat in First World War horrified him, and the Versailles Treaty made him furious. Question number 6. Question number 6 is fill in the blanks question. Hitler renamed the German Workers' Party as National Socialist German Workers' Party, which came to be known as, so answer is, it came to be known as Nazi Party. Now question number 7. This is fill in the blank question. Nazi dash stirred hopes of a better future. So answer number 7 is, Nazis propaganda stirred the hope of a better future. Now question number 8. Dash was the highest position in the cabinet of ministers which Hitler got in 1933. 8. Chancellorship. Chancellorship was the highest position in the cabinet of ministers which Hitler got in 1933. Now question number 9. The famous Dash Act established a dictatorship in Germany. So ninth answer is the famous Enabling Act. The famous Enabling Act established the dictatorship in Germany. Now question number 10. Hitler assigned the responsibility of Dash recovery to the economist Hazelmer Sash. The answer is Hitler, तो उसने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसको दी थी? तो हेजलमर्क शैस को दी थी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी. सो आंसर नंबर 10 इज इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी. इकोनॉमिक आंसर इज इकोनॉमिक. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. These are the rewrite the following sentences on the basis of historical facts. So question number 11 is, Hitler was determined to make France a mighty power. So answer is, Hitler was determined to make Germany into a mighty power, not France. Now question number 12. Among the Allied powers, there were Germany, Italy, China. So, answer is Allied powers were initially led by the UK and France. In 1941, they were joined by the USSR and USA. Now, 13th question. America left First World War in 1917. So, answer number 13 is America joined First War in 1917, not left. So, answer is joined. Correct is joined. America joined First World War in 1917. Now, question number 14. Germany bombed the US base at Pearl Harbor. So, answer number 14 is Japan bombed the US base at Pearl Harbor. Now, question number 15. Attacking America in 1941 was a historic blunder of Hitler. So, answer is attacking the Soviet Union in June 1941 was a historical blunder of Hitler. Now, question number 16. Question number 16, there are two statements, assertion A and reasoning. So, assertion A is America dropped the atom bomb on Hiroshima in 1945 and reason it ended the Second World War. तो पहले हमें दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स को देखना है कि दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही है कि नहीं है. So, assertion A, America dropped the atom bomb on Hiroshima in 1945. So, this statement is true. Reasoning R, it ended the Second World War. This statement is also true. But answer of this question is option B. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Now, question number 17. Assertion A, Hitler was getting the unspoken support of England in all his foreign expansion. Reason, England had considered Versailles' verdict too harsh. Now, we look at the statement. Assertion A, this statement is true. Hitler was getting the unspoken support of England in all his foreign expansion. And R, England had considered the Versailles too harsh. This statement is also true. So, answer is option number A. Option number A is the answer. What is option number A? A is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So, our worksheet 69 यहाँ पर फिनिश होती है.